Ah, y'all thought it was the Z, huh? Fuck no. I only put 91 on the Z. Wish it was an E85, but it is what it is. So we're gonna be taking the truck all the way to LA to go see my boy Jeff 350Z on IG. I sold my old hood to one of my followers, and you guys know me, I have to keep my carbon fiber hood, make it looking right. I'm also going to be picking up a new hood for the gray Nismo, so I'm actually going to go pick up 2 hoods. So yeah, pumping gas right now, so tomorrow morning I could leave, which for you guys would be like in 2 seconds. I'm about to go do this graveyard shift real quick, and then once I'm done, heading down to LA. Before I start this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, because I'm literally going broke right now with this gas. All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The Nismo is back on the channel for another install. Quick little update. He did end up getting some wheels, but I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys. But if you guys can see right there, you guys can kind of see what it is. But I'm probably gonna do another video on those, because we literally got tires for them, and we just need to mount them and make the fitment work. But today we got a carbon fiber hood for my boy Edwin over here. So yeah, we're gonna be installing the carbon fiber hood. We're gonna be opening it up real quick, and I also got myself a hood too, because giving you guys a little update on the Z2. Last week I did end up selling my hood to someone that was interested in my old hood, so you know, why not let money flow in. And I was literally gonna keep it like this, but Jeff 350Z, he had some carbon fiber hoods in stock, so you know, it was kind of a sign from God to get another carbon fiber hood. So that's what we're gonna do today. I literally drove 6 hours to LA to go meet up with my boy Jeff 350Z. Shout out to him, because he's the one that literally plugs me up with all my carbon fiber pieces that you guys see on the Z. Let me show you guys real quick and unbox the carbon fiber hood and show you guys what style we got. Check it out. This is the, I believe, the TS Seibon hood, but this is the first one that I wanted to get in a long time. Looks really freaking nice. And we got the same one, so we're gonna be matching. But this install is super easy. Literally 4 bolts. Take off the old one, put this one on. Look at this masterpiece. Bring it down. Slowly. Oh, Bayunco.
You gotta slam it. Should I slam it?
Nah, don't slam it. Let me see. Mine does that shit too.
Oh, you gotta slam. The old one, now it's slamming.
Oh, you probably have to adjust this part. No, pues Bayunco. Oh. Ah, that's how you do it. Oh yeah, looks way better. A simple mod like a carbon fiber hood makes a car go a long way. Oh, can't show you guys the wheels that much, but you guys get the idea of how the Nismo is gonna be looking. Maybe he should tint. You should tint the front windshield. Sheesh. Nah, what the fuck? You got me. I'll be tinting it soon. But yeah, he should get some eyelids right here. And yeah, a lot more projects are coming out for the Z. He ordered a lot more stuff for the Z, so it's coming along pretty well. Yeah, pretty freaking nice. Bruh, the Z is literally so freaking dirty. Look, that's why I fucked it up. I tried to wrap it and I ended up messing it up right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. And yeah, this.
Oh, you cut a piece off, huh?
Yeah, this is what made me buy a carbon fiber hood. Big old dust. Oh yeah. Is that a boosted Z? Yep, everything is carb legal in the Z, but literally the same process. 4 bolts on the side and adjust your carbon fiber hood the way you want to. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. We're gonna do it fast because my camera's dying out, and let's get it. What do you guys think about the new hood? Yes or no? You guys like it or not? I ended up putting my eyelids back on because I don't know, I just always liked how it looks. But I'm gonna go ahead and give the Z a wash because it looks super disgusting. You can see it up there. And yeah, I feel like this hood looks really, really good. I don't know why, but this hood makes it look a little bit more lifted up, like more aggressive. You guys can see right here. There's like an inch or two that gives it that lift. But overall, the Z is looking really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the Z a wash and I'll be right back. Bro, I guess if you're watching this video, you get a little spoiler of how the Z is looking. Bro, badass. Sheesh. Yeah, you're fine there. Just straighten out your wheels. So we're about to give both Z's a quick wash because it's very much needed for the two boys. Bro, look at this shit. Sheesh. Damn. That dual told me overheated already and shit. And just like that, both installs are done. I ended up polishing that one out because it was kind of like not good looking, but now it looks fresh. Oh, is it gonna scrape? Ooh, scraped a little bit. Bro, tell me, that shit looks badass. Damn, bro. He didn't even let the car warm up. But anyways, look at this one. Beast. I also polished this one out too, so they look fresh. Also, I do plan to go back to my my old hood pins because of my safety. I don't want the shit boop, when I'm in the freeway. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Peace.